What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rico, aka RockStarrFX here, back with another video. And this video, it's gonna be kind of different. This is actually a video that I kind of told myself I would never do here on YouTube, but with the huge influx of just messages that I get on Instagram, on Telegram, through my email, it has been almost virtually impossible to get back to every single one of you. And honestly, I feel terrible leaving all of these messages unread, knowing that I had this channel here telling you guys to message me, but I can't get back to all the messages. So as the title of this video says, keeping it very simple, today we're going to be talking about coaching and mentorship, working directly with myself, learning from myself outside of the YouTube world, because I get so many messages on a daily basis of people interested and just wondering how it is that they can start learning from me personally to really just take their trading to the next level, but they don't know where or how to get plugged into our group. Now, if you weren't already familiar, I'm gonna break it to you right now. I am actually a part of I Am Mastery Academy. That is right, me, the trader slash YouTuber. I am and have been a part of I Am Mastery Academy for 2 years now. And contrary to what most people may believe, based on past experience of just what they see on the internet, I Am Mastery Academy is one of the top trading educational platforms in the entire world. I really don't think there's any YouTube or online guru that has put up as much numbers as I Am Mastery Academy. And I'm not just talking about on the recruiting side. I'm talking about the amount of customers and the actual amount of people seeing success learning how to trade. Now, before you go ahead and click off on this video, let me explain something to you. If you are subscribed to me and watching this video right here, it is more than likely because you enjoy the way that I teach, you see value in what it is that I teach, and you're looking to take your trading to the next level. I already know this based on the amount of people that honestly message me looking for either more help, more mentorship, more coaching on a one-on-one personal kind of level. And yes, I do have a full group of people that I work with on a personal level if you enroll with me, and we'll get into that in a few minutes. But the biggest problem that I'm having is that it's almost impossible with the amount of messages that I get on Instagram, on Telegram, you know, through my email, even through TikTok. It's literally impossible for me to get back to everybody. And honestly, it bugs me every single day. It absolutely bugs me knowing that I have people in the inbox that are looking for help, and I just can't find the messages because my inbox is full of spam. It's full of all these different scammers and, you know, all the fake profiles and people asking for money. Like, it's absolutely insane. I wish I could show you guys like how crazy my inbox is, but that's not the purpose of this video. So what I want to talk about is one of the biggest questions that I get, and that is, it's actually a two-part question, but one of the questions is, how can you guys, you know, start working with me, you know, really tap into my trainings. I do live sessions every week teaching my group my exact strategy, how it is that I trade, you know, developing a trading plan and really taking your trading to the next level within the next few weeks, to be honest with you. But also for the people that do already know that I am a part of I Am Mastery Academy, people ask me all the time, how is it that you can pretty much get into my group? You know, people hit me up like, hey, I'm looking to join the company. I found you on YouTube and I want to join you. How do I do so? So in this video, I'm going to be pretty much going over everything that sticks out to me in I Am Mastery Academy. But first, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys real quick, just a little bit about what makes our group different. For everyone that has had past experiences or that knows somebody that has had past experiences within the company and maybe it just wasn't a good experience, here's what I want you to understand. There's two sides of the company, right? You have the recruiting side and you have the customer side. Just like any job or any business out there, there's always people that sell and there's people that buy. Now, what our group prides ourselves on is the fact that we know how to cater to both. When I first joined the company, I was the type of person that I was already really good at recruiting. I've been in the network marketing industry for 8 years now. I joined back in 2013. I was a broke college student, just sick and tired of following the same system and hanging around the same people. So the recruiting side, I had down packed. But I joined I Am Mastery Academy from actually another trading company to learn how to trade. And I can legitimately say that when I got here, That's exactly what I did. In fact, everything that I teach you guys here on YouTube, I learned through I Am Mastery Academy. I learned through tapping into the live sessions. I learned through plugging into the team and the mentorship that I have with this group. Now, the reason that I'm telling you guys this is because we have people that make a lot of money on the business side, but we also have even more people that make money on the trading side. We know how to separate and understand, hey, if this person joins to trade, then we're not gonna force them to recruit. And if they want to recruit, then hey, let's run it up and I'll teach you how to make 6 figures recruiting. But the fact of the matter is, again, if you're subscribed to my YouTube channel here, then obviously you enjoy the way that I teach, you see value in what it is that I am teaching, and you're looking to take your trading to the next level. I can help you with that. So yes, we do actually trade on our team, and I think that's the biggest thing to understand. Yes, we have a lot of recruiters, but we do actually trade. Now, if you are not familiar with I Am Mastery Academy, or you're brand new to pretty much my channel, then let me educate you really quick. So I Am Mastery Academy has actually been around for about 8 years now, not going anywhere. Despite what people say, despite the negative press or whatever the case may be, it's still doing absolute numbers and it's still creating success stories left and right. I am one of those success stories. So when you join the academy and when you partner up, you're gonna get access to the actual academy itself, where you can go through all of the video library of everything from learning the very basics, the intermediate to advanced styles of trading, techniques, reversals, you name it, it is more than likely within the academy. And it's that variety of learning that I love the most about it. But if you are more of a hands-on learner like myself, then what's also really cool is that there are live trading sessions going on all throughout the day at virtually every hour of the day. So we're talking about not just a video library, which is what most people do, right? You get access to like a video library, but you also get live trading sessions, different perspectives from different traders, because we know not one strategy fits all, right? So you're getting different perspectives from different traders. And then on top of that, once you actually start to understand trading a little bit better and you get the basics down, we have scanners that actually scan the markets and are able to give you potential entry points, whether you're trading on MT4 or whether you're trading binary options. All of these scanners are absolutely insane, like fire. And the best part is that you don't need to pay for like a trading view. You don't need to know how to use specific indicators or the settings to input or whatever the case. All these scanners are already inputted, the indicators, everything is already set up. All you have to do is obviously get the rules for the scanner, whichever scanner that you're gonna be using, and the algorithm does the rest. So like on MetaTrader 4, for example, one of our biggest scanners are like the harmonics, right? And with the harmonic scanners, or the Ignite scanner, for example, it's a scanner that will literally give you the entry point, the take profit, and the stop loss. All you have to do is look at the scanner, copy it, and paste it onto your MT4. If you agree with the analysis, you take the trade, and you go ahead and you make your money. Same thing for binary options. It's a little bit different, but what the binary option scanners do, for example, is, again, you'll look at the scanner, it'll give you potential entry based on the rules of that algorithm, and there's different algorithms that you can choose from, but based on the rules of that algorithm, it'll give you different entry points. And then you can go ahead and obviously, if you agree with the analysis, you'll go ahead and you will place the trade. Now, if that scanner part sounds cool to you, then guess what? We have educators. We have people that actually teach on all of the scanners. So let's just say you find a scanner that you may like that might go hand in hand with your strategy or confirmations or whatever the case may be. All you have to do to learn how to use that scanner is to plug into the educator that teaches and uses that scanner as well. Pretty simple. And on top of the package of everything that the company has to offer, you obviously get access to me and everything our group has to offer. So for example, we have a huge community of people just like yourself. You're brand new to the markets. We have people that have been in the markets for a few months. We have people that have been in the markets for a few years. But you'll get access to my team Discord, where we trade anything from MetaTrader 4 to binary options, and even tap into cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and now the metaverse, which is gonna be super freaking lit. But when you enroll with me personally, you also get access to my inner circle group. You get my personal contact information. And I think this is the most important part of it, because with this, I'm not one of those people that just sign people up and I leave you there. But some of the perks of obviously having my personal contact info is the fact that you can hit me up at virtually any hour of the day. And if I'm awake, which most of the time I am, I'll get back to you. I like to send voice notes. It's a little bit more personable, and it's a lot easier to send voice notes than to type paragraphs. So you'll get my personal contact. You can hit me up at any time and I'll get back to you when I'm available, but I answer questions as many questions as you have, I'm here to answer them. And then on top of that, what a lot of my students like to do is, and I highly recommend this as well, because closed mouths really just don't get fed, is when they're trading, when they get the strategy down and when they're starting to understand what it is that they're doing, what I always tell them is hey, look, if you have a trade setup, screenshot it, right? Screenshot the setup, and if you lose the setup, send it to me. So what we can then do is we can go back and we can analyze your setup to see exactly where you possibly have gone wrong. Now, obviously, not every trade there's gonna be a reason why you lost. Some trades, the market just isn't gonna go in your favor, but a lot of the times I'm able to pinpoint and say, hey, look, this is why you didn't clear that trade. You forgot to wait for this confirmation, or hey, you could have done this a little bit different. So that's more of the kind of hands-on coaching that you guys get access to, obviously, with joining me personally. On top of that, I do at least 3 to 4 trading sessions a week with our group. I try to do at least 3 every single week to really teach you guys exactly, getting into the mind of Rockstar, to be able to take your trading to the next level. And I have an exact blueprint from the day that you get started. We have a fast start training to pretty much kickstart your trading journey if you're somebody that is brand new with absolutely no knowledge, that you can get done in your first 24 to 48 hours. And then when you're done with that, we have a 8-course boot camp that you can utilize as well. That'll literally take you step by step in everything that I believe that you need to learn to be a profitable binary options trader. So the team is super lit, man. Whether you're trading MT4 or whether you're trading binary options or whether you're interested in cryptocurrency, we have something for you to tap into and plug into. Now, here's the best part about it, and one of the main reasons why I'm doing this video. Our company just came back from its annual convention. This was actually the first convention since before COVID struck. And at this convention, they announced a promotion where pretty much they were going to be dropping, kind of like a Thanksgiving kind of promotion, but they're going to be dropping the price to get started from $235 to only $185. Now, over the course of the past few days, there have been a few of you that have been able to take advantage of this promotion and get started at $185. But again, I realized that I couldn't really tap into everybody within the 7-day period that the promotion was going. So I said, you know what? Let's just make a video. Get this video out to you guys as soon as possible so that if you are interested in joining, you can go ahead and take advantage of the promotion. Only $185 to start. Now, this promotion is going to be going all the way until Saturday, 11:59 p.m., right? So that's the 20th, 11:59 p.m. As soon as it hits the 21st, the price is going to go back to normal. So you guys have about 4 days to make the decision and take advantage of the promotion, because if not, then after that, it's gonna go right back up to $235. But if you were already on the fence, or if you were looking for somebody to join, or maybe if you've already messaged me and I just haven't gotten back to your message yet, then this is your chance to go ahead, take action, take advantage of the promotion. $185 to get started. Don't ask me. It's $185, right? It's gonna be people after this video and say, how much is it, right? Like I said, you're gonna get access to everything that you get access to with I Am Mastery Academy. You're also gonna get everything that you get access to with my personal group, and then you also get, obviously, me on a more personal level. My contact, you can text me, you can call me. I always tell people call me, but no one calls me, right? Everyone just wants to text. But the point is that I do want to help you guys take your trading to the next level. And I think this promotion right here will help some of you, or even motivate you to take that step, take that initial step to make the decision that, hey, you know what? Today is going to be the day that I go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and plug in. So if you guys are looking to plug in, I'm going to put the link right. It's going to be the very first link right down in the description as to how to get started, how to go ahead and start on the team. So go ahead and click the link, get started. It's $185 to join for the next 4 days. And if for whatever reason you guys really do have questions, then message me on Instagram, but make sure the first word in the message is I'm ready. Hopefully I see you guys on the inside, man. I'm super excited for the end of 2021. 2022, we're gonna have a lot of fun. I mean, we've been absolutely crushing it these last 2 years, both in business, on YouTube, and in trading. And I'm looking forward to obviously expanding and helping you guys do the same exact thing. So as always, this is your boy Rico, aka RockStarrFX. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Feel just like a rock star. To stay in tune with everything RockStarrFX, including coaching and one-on-one mentorship, make sure you join my personal Telegram group
down in the description below at Teach Me to Trade. And if you haven't already done so, add me on Instagram as well at RockStarrFX.